Well, it's a nice day outside, and I was cleaning out the refrigerator, so I've got some stuff I'm going to give the chickens. I got some squash, lettuce, and a little piece of cucumber. So I read that you could make squash in a crock pot, spaghetti squash in a crock pot, like you do sweet potatoes. Like just put it in the crock pot, let it roast, and then when you get home, it'll be done. Well, just to let you know, that does not work. It actually just turns to mush, and that is not what spaghetti... Lulu, quiet. That is not what spaghetti squash should look like. So anyways, the chickens are getting it. It kind of... I'm gonna have to spread it out a little bit. Oh, it feels nasty. It's good for them, and they like it, but... Ugh. Anyways. And I got some leftover lettuce too, so they should like that too. Lulu's jealous because she does not feel like anybody should get food unless she gets it too. She's a little piggy. I don't let her in here though because I think she may chase the chickens and scare them, and also the rooster may attack her. I would if I was the rooster.